I am so tired. Okay, so my hair's a hot mess, but like, I don't want to deal. Like, we're just gonna leave it, okay? School has officially started, so no sleep season. I don't know where that came from. I'm gonna start with skin first. Oh wait, no, I should probably do eyebrows. Okay, those are a little intense, but like, it's okay. First things first. Okay, so this is gonna be super simple. Back to school, easy peasy. In my last video, I talked about my my like beat that I have down to a science that takes like 15 minutes. This is that. Like, perfect for school. You'll still like look good, but it won't look like you're like super intense in microeconomics, or maybe you're in high school, then that too. But oh yeah. Anyway, I'm out of breath. Do you ever feel so tired that you literally feel like intoxicated? Is that a thing? Because I definitely feel that way. Okay, anyway, so I'm going with my Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. My skin is super dry for some reason. And I'm gonna start with skin first because I have like somewhat uneven skin tone. And because of that, I prefer to have skin done rather than like eyes or anything else. So I'm gonna do that because if like say I run out of time, like I only have like 5 minutes, I don't know. I would rather do skin than anything else because it still like looks really pretty and it's faster, so. We're gonna start with skin. Okay, so that was my Water Bank moisturizer. Now I have a bunch of Sephora collection products. So I'm gonna use these. I like kind of went on like a little Sephora birthday spree. So I got some really exciting Sephora collection stuff. So like a lot of this stuff is gonna be Sephora collection. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with this Sephora Super or All Day Hydrator, Hydrate and Glow. It has hyaluronic acid in it and it looks like this. Super amazing, really cute. We love her. I'm gonna put a little bit of this all over just to give a little bit of extra moisture. Like I said, like my skin's been really dry. I don't know, I've been like simplifying my skincare routine and just like applying stuff when I feel like my skin needs it. So like I haven't been moisturizing like every single night, so like maybe that's what it is. Oh, that feels so good. It's literally like a moisturizer slash primer. It says you can use it to prime, but we're gonna use a primer because we know how extra I am. So this is the Sephora Beauty Amplifier Ultra Smoothing Primer. I really like this because this kind of feels like the Smashbox one, like it's a little silicone moment, and it just like fills up the pores and makes you look like you have baby skin, which is what we aim for. And just putting this everywhere. And then now we're gonna go into foundation. I'm gonna use 2, switching it up. I know you guys love this. I know, my go-to that I always use, the Maybelline, but I'm gonna mix it with this Sephora Beige. It's Sephora Matte it's early, sorry. Sephora Matte Perfection Foundation in beige. And I'm just gonna mix the two together and then put them all over my face. I think I'm just gonna dot them. Putting this matte foundation in the places I want to be more matte. So like my T-zone that gets super oily, that's where I put the matte foundation. Oh. I should probably stop doing that because apparently I may have like nerve issues in my neck, so like, but it's fine. And then I'm gonna put the Maybelline Maybelline foundation the other places, and it actually works out because I'm not very tan. So this is a little bit too dark, and the other one is probably like perfectly my skin tone, so they combine and just make the perfect color. Am I gonna do Beauty Blender? No, I don't feel like wetting my Beauty Blender, so I'm gonna use this. This is just my Fakabuki Sigma F80, and we're gonna buff this all over. Okay, my eyebrows are really freaking dark and it's kind of tripping me out. Let's brush these out a little bit. Probably put too much pomade, but it's fine. Oh, also tip, always brush your eyebrows up because it makes them look like more feathery and pretty. Okay, I don't know if that did anything, but I think it did, so. Go team. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this. I'm gonna go in with my Tarte concealer. It's like running out. I need to get a new one. Or maybe try something else, but like, let's be real, I'm probably not going to. And this is in the color Fair. And just slapping this on. Yeah, we don't sleep very much in college, so you really gotta cake that stuff on. And then I'm just, this is just a perfecting face brush from Bare Minerals. Because again, I'm too lazy to wet my Beauty Blender. So we're just gonna do this. Maybe I should put a little bit more on my eyes for eyeshadow, so I don't have to go back in later. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna go in with powder. Yeah. The coffee's like starting to kick in, so I like kind of feel like I don't know, I'm really tired at the same time, but also like very much like invigorated, so it's a lot. Just bear with me. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this Lexi 512 small contouring brush, and this is my Cover FX powder that I always use, and then I'm just gonna set the concealer so it doesn't crease. Also, I've been realizing that like my frown lines on my forehead are getting really intense, so I need to set that like right away. So now my roommate has one of those like automatic spray things that sprays it for 30 minutes, and it scares me every time. Last night I was in my bed sleeping and then it went off. I like literally like freaked out, but it smells so good and I like love it. I just like, I haven't gotten used to it yet. It's so funny. Okay, now I'm not gonna do cream contour, and I don't really contour at school that much unless I have like a lot of time, but like also I'm probably too lazy. So what I've been doing is just, this is the, have I been talking about my products? Yeah, I have. Okay, this is the Sephora collection. This is a bronzer in Los Cabos, but it's more cool tones than my other one, so I've been using this as a contour powder, and I really like it. Also, it like smells like my childhood. I can't like exactly like pinpoint what it smells like, but like, God, that's so weird. That's really gonna bother me. I feel like I'm getting like major dance memories. Maybe like the clean floors of the dance studio. That sounds gross. It doesn't smell bad. Just like, I don't know. It's something relating to dance. I just can't figure it out. And then I haven't been contouring my nose. I'm gonna do it today, but if you don't have time for this step, just literally what I've been doing is just taking my big contour brush and just going like this on the sides of my nose, and like that also looks good. But since I have time today, I'm gonna use this to contour my nose. I still don't like quite know how to contour my nose yet, but I feel like we're getting closer. Okay, now I'm gonna do bronzer. Yeah. So I'm gonna go in with my Alexis Friend ColourPop Golden Moment bronzer. And then this big fluffy brush that has no name, but a big kabuki fluffy brush. And then just putting those all over. I feel like bronzer literally just like makes the biggest difference. Oh, it is very important. Makes you really come alive, especially when you haven't been sleeping. I've actually like, I act like I haven't been sleeping. I got 9 hours last night, so like clearly I'm still doing well, but it is syllabus week, so like it's not gonna last long. My foot's falling asleep. Do you guys like my pajama pants? Oh my god, guys, I'm so sore. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with I actually switched blush brushes recently. I've switched blush brushes recently. This one is the Real Techniques one. I like had this, but it was like a lost gem and I really like it. I feel like it just doesn't like deposit too much and it still looks really good, as I literally just like made my cheeks bright orange. Like, it's not too much, but I just really like it. Also blush on the nose. Big fan. Big fan. And then whatever's left, just like putting it everywhere else. Yeah. And now for highlight, I'm gonna use, I love this highlighter. This has been slept on. I really like just using this ColourPop as like a base. Like, I just love it so much. You can wear it by itself. I just like it because of the consistency. I feel like my highlighters on top like will stick better because it's like a little tacky, because it is like a cream, so we love that. Oh, someone's alarm's going off. Highlight zones, you guys know the drill. And that was ColourPop in Double Down. And then I'm going in with, this is so dirty, this is really gross, sorry. This is the Vintage by Jessica Liebskind. And I'm gonna go in with this guy right here, the like neutral one. Oh, love it. Love to see it. Wow. Put some up here because why not? We love being a dewy goddess. And then okay, so now we're gonna do eyeballs. Literally for school, I keep it super simple. I'll do like 2 eyeshadows and call it a day. And like eyeliner only if I'm feeling like real fancy. Okay, I'm back. So I did an eye look and then I absolutely hated it. So I just took it off. That's why I have mascara on right now. And lips. But we're just gonna pretend that never happened, okay? Haha. Hello, good to be back. So, okay, this is absolutely disgusting. Just like try and not pay attention to it. But like I said, when like doing school looks and stuff and you don't have a lot of time, you're pressed for time, or also like you're waking up early, you don't want to put in that much effort, stick to what you know. So like my go-to, I love this yellow shade. It's like my first step every time I do my eyeshadow. Just bring this all the way up underneath the eye. And this is my, what is this? BMX 430 crease. It'll just give an even foundation for everything. And then next I'm gonna go in with this brush. This is the Luxie 205 Tapered Blending. And I'm gonna go in with this orangey shade right here. Put this in the crease. I just love warm tones. I feel like they look so good with everything. Okay, and then now I'm going to go in with a shorter, denser. This is brush. This is a tapered blending 229. It's a little bit smaller. Then going in with these two colors right here and just putting those on my outer crease. Now I'm going to go in with this little guy. This is the Crown Pro C513, and I'm gonna go in with this color, and then I'm just gonna put this like really close to my lash line and like make it like eyeliner, literally just on the outer corner, and then flicking it up a little bit, and that's it, just like that. I'm gonna add some more mascara, and then let's do inner corner highlight. Just gonna mix these two right here. Okay, and honestly I think that's it. Here we go, and then I'll add just a little bit more mascara. Okay, and then honestly I just always add like a little lip gloss because it's just non-high maintenance at all. So this is the Becca Liquid Crystal Lip Topper, and I have chapstick on, but I'm not gonna take it off, and I'm just gonna put this on top. And I feel like that looks good. That's just about it. I already sprayed my face. Okay, so much better. And this was super easy. I know for like, well, at university, like you can wear whatever you want. And that's what I'm in right now. But I know for school, like I went to a Catholic school and you weren't allowed to wear a lot of makeup. So this is totally doable. Like it's barely noticeable, but it still looks really pretty and nice and very versatile. You can wear this to anything. Like right now I'm just like wearing like a graphic tee, but this would also look really good with like if you have to wear a uniform and it's like a little bit more dressy or whatever. It just like, it looks really cute and it's super easy. I used like 4 eyeshadows, and yeah, it just looks good with everything, every skin tone, every, I don't know, hair color, everything. And it's super simple. It'll take you like 10 minutes, and you can even use fewer eyeshadows. Like you could just do the first 2 that I did, and yeah, I love it. I hope you guys really liked it too, and I'll see you guys next week. That's a wrap, ladies. So much better. I put on a lot of lip gloss. It's okay. Okay. I've burped so many times during this video.